When I say firefly, what will you imagine? A beetle which glows at night, which is the best known example for bioluminescence. But space lovers will imagine this. Yes, today we are going to talk about Firefly Aerospace with the rocket Firefly Alpha. So let's get started. Firefly Aerospace is an American private aerospace company which was founded in the year 2014 that develops small and medium-sized launch vehicles for commercial launches to orbit. Firefly Alpha, a small satellite launch vehicle, is a two-stage orbital expendable launch vehicle. It is intended to provide launch options for both full vehicle and ride-share customers. Alpha uses two stages, both 1.8 meters in diameter, filled with RP-1 and liquid oxygen as propellant. The main body of the rocket is constructed using a lightweight carbon composite material, which is also used for Rocket Lab's Electron rocket. Carbon composite is so light that you can move orbital class first stage with your bare hands. The first launch of Alpha is scheduled for 2021 and Firefly aims to have the production capacity to support the launch of 2 Alpha vehicles per month by the first quarter of 2021. The mission price for each would cost around $15 million. Alpha's first stage is powered by 4 Reaver 1 engines delivering 736.1 kilonewtons of thrust. The second stage is powered by 1 Lightning 1 engine delivering 70.1 kilonewtons of thrust. Alpha is designed to launch a 1000 kg payload to a 200 km low Earth orbit or 600 kg payload to a 500 km sun synchronous orbit, suitable for CubeSats and other small payloads. Primary payloads can be integrated by themselves or with a secondary payload with the capacity of for up to 6 CubeSats. This allows Firefly's customers to have a dedicated small satellite launcher, reducing the issues of ride-sharing payloads and secondary payloads. Firefly Beta is an evolutionary and upscaled design based on Firefly Alpha's technology with 5 Reaver 2 engines for the first stage and 1 Reaver 1 back engine for the second stage. It has the capacity of delivering 8000 kg to a 200 km low Earth orbit and has the capability of achieving geosynchronous transfer orbits.